Yo, 14, you got another one.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Lex, back at you with another video.
Another one.
As you already know, I am trying to make sushi for the first time. I don't know what I'm doing, but I saw this on YouTube, and if they can do it, then I can do it. So let's get into it. I do not eat raw sushi, so this will be tempura, and these are all my ingredients. And I had to back out the new air fryer because we're trying to be healthy all 2021, you feel me? So the air fryer needs to be the way that we are frying this sushi.
Yo, 14, you got another one.